Sanibona South Africa, sawubona South Africa, sanibona ingane zakwethu. Thank you so much South Africa. Thank you so much. The people of South Africa, thank you so much. Our land is going to win. Our country is going to win. The people shall win. The people shall conquer. You know, when we started these marches, they said we are vigilantes. When we carried on, they said we were tribalistic. When we carried on, they said we were xenophobic. When we carried on, they said we were unskilled. When we carried on, they called us minions, you know, and they called us barbaric and all those names. We have beaten every propaganda name they have imposed on us. The people from other countries are here in this country, undocumented. They are breaking the law by entering the country without proper documentation. So now that there are gatherings in these places that they have designated, all of a sudden the government has resources to go and look after those people. All of a sudden some organizations that are calling us xenophobic, that are calling us that we are funded by Israelis, which is a lie, which is a propaganda. You are trying to cause war in South Africa. You will never cause war in South Africa. We are commanders, we are soldiers, we are men, we are policemen, we are government officials, we are the people of this country. We are the uneducated indigenous people of this country. We love the country more than English. We love this country more than money. We will never accept money. Thank you, South Africa. Thank you, South Africa. Thank you, South Africa. On the 28th of June, it's my birthday, and I'm going to donate that birthday to the Soweto people. I will be there in Soweto on the 28th and on the 29th to give them support. I will use that gathering as my cake for the birthday. We will beat every propaganda name that is going to be imposed on us. We are South Africans. Bantu bagiti abamnyama. Nganitshela, ngasho la ku social media. Ngathi lelizwe liyolunga ngeinsizwa. Mangabe lilunga lelozwe ngeinsizwa, ngiyobe ngingomunye abayobe behola lezo insizwa. Hambani niyobheka amavideo. Siyabonga South Africa. Siyanqoba noma kanjani ngomhla ka-30 siyanqoba. Uma sisuka kumhla ka-30 siyaqhubeka siyaphambili, siyaqhubeka nokunqobela lelizwe. Ongafuni ukulunga umholi akayishiya iposition, ngoba ngeke sivume kube nabantu abangakwazi ukuthanda izwe labo, abathanda imali ngaphezulu kwezwe labo. Ngeke sikuvume lokho. Ayizondi ikaba ibambe khona.